What is that first thing that you're supposed to do before checking the charts? Before you start clicking on buy or clicking on sell? That's what we want to first of all talk about because um, we have seen that a lot of traders are going about it the wrong way. They jump into the charts not having a clue what most likely might happen for the day. And that's why in this video, we're going to look at the first thing that you need to pay attention to before you start looking at the charts. Very, very key, very, very important. You know, the chart has to do with technicals, but then the first thing you need to do is to check the fundamentals. Yes, the fundamentals, right? So as an example here in front of us, if you look at this, you have the fundamentals, right? Let me just refresh this page quickly, right? You have the fundamentals for that's based on the calendar, the fundamentals Forex Factory that gives us the news of the day. So this thing here, as you can see, today is Tuesday. And if you look very well, we have news that came out from 12:30 a.m. early in the morning, all the way down to about 10:55 p.m., 11 p.m. in the night. So we have a lot of news coming out here. So apart from the fact that this is the first thing you need to do on a daily basis before you check your chart, you will also make sure you pay attention to the red impact, all the red impact that we have here. Why? Because it's the red impact that will give off that volatility. It's the red impact that can easily affect scalpers. As an example, you're a scalper, but you don't know when high impact news is going to come out and you enter the market. Trust me, the market would easily deal with you with respect to volatility. You have one coming out at 4 p.m. later. And by the way, this is Nigerian time. So you can always convert this by coming here, click here on this time and changing it to your own time zone. So based on this 4 p.m. time, you have high impact news coming out for the USD. The Fed Chair Powell will be testifying, will be on the wires. So trust me, as there will be volatility around here, you need to take note of it. You need to pay attention to it. So once you know when the high impact news are coming out, right? Another thing you could also do, you could also come over here to where you have filter, click on the filter, and then only highlight the high impact because it's majorly the high impact that you are interested in. You can see I'm on checking this ones. Only the high impact red is checked, and then we click on apply filter. Once you do that, you can see it has only brought out only the high impact for us, right? So it is up to you. Either you do that or you go back to your here, your filter here, click on all, then it highlights all, and then you click on apply filter, and then it brings out everything for you. So please, before you start checking your technicals, checking your charts, make sure you check the news to find out if the coast is clear so that you don't have any issues with respect to jumping into a period of high volatility. Traders tend to lose a lot of money during that period. Traders tend to even crash their accounts during that period as well. And then when you come over to your chart, you can start to do your analysis, check on the trend, map out your chart, support, resistance, and of course, wait for the market to get there while still paying attention to the calendar. Forex Factory, very key, very, very important. This is just to help you to know how you are supposed to be looking at the market before you start placing any trade. This should be something that should be, it should be a given, it should be a ritual, it should be something that you should be doing every day. Get used to it. First thing you need to do, check the calendar, simple, and then cross over to your chart and then start to merge the two of them together. Trust me, you do this for a little while and your trading will definitely catapult it to cross over to the next level to where it needs to be, and then you'll see exponential growth. Now, with that said, I want to say thank you guys for joining me. It has indeed been a good one. What this video is simple, straight to the point, and trust me, it will help you to plan your day accordingly. Okay, thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and then do the needful by watching this, commenting in the section below if you have questions, and then we'll get back to you all. Thank you and goodbye for now.